Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Xbox app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up the Xbox app on my device. As you can see, my font size is currently set to what you can see on the screen. So in order to make it larger and easier to read, what we need to do is go back, and now we need to click into our settings app on our mobile device. From here, scroll down and look for display. Click into display. Once you're inside display, navigate lower and look for font size and style and tap onto that. Once you're inside font size and style, you're going to see font size at the bottom of the page, and it's got a slider just below that. So what this slider does is going to increase your font size. So move it to the right to increase it, and to decrease it, move it to the left. So just find a good font size you want to use on the app. So I'm going to keep it towards the end there. And now if I open up Xbox, you'll see the font size has been increased by that amount.